Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit Project 5. That is infrared proximity on and off LED. So for this, you should have already completed project 4. Okay, so then what it says is remove the push switch wires, which I have already removed, and connect the infrared sensor. This is the infrared sensor that comes with the kit. It has red and black wires, so those red and black wires can go into, red can go into the positive rail and black can go into the negative rail, and the blue wire goes to A28. Blue wire goes to A28. So the connection is complete. We have the red LED connected and the infrared sensor connected. Let's switch it on and then move our hand near the sensor. So let me hold the sensor like this. Let me move my finger near the sensor. See, the LED comes on. So this is the infrared sensor. Here the light color one is the infrared transmitter, and the darker LED is the infrared receiver. So when you bring our finger near the sensor, the infrared reflects from our finger and reaches the LED. And remember, you need to wait for about 10 seconds before it can detect again. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.